All right, we're recording. This is Brian's lesson, and the main thing, let's see, on the first one we were doing the free bird, Brian, it's going to go, after it goes through 1, 2, 3, 4. I played it fast. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. This one. That F to C to D will go 5 times before it goes into the solo, and the 5th time that you do it, you're going to go. So your hand will have those accents. And also the little suspension with the little finger there. And then it goes into the jamming part, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All E bars on the 3rd fret, 6th fret, and 8th fret. The one on the 8th fret. So these are 3rd fret is G, 6th fret is B flat, and then 8th fret is C. And it's the C, or the 8th fret, is held for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Alright? And it just keeps going, repeats like that, and they play all these leads, which will go into this blues box. I could show you this. Here is the box if you get a chance. Index finger on the 3rd fret, and this is not for the B minor box for the Metallica songs, but this will be the box for this Freebird, which will teach you some leads to. Okay, index finger is going to be based around the 3rd fret. Okay, and we're going little finger on the 6th fret, and then with 1 finger per fret here, right? So those are both 3 frets up from the 3rd fret. So if we played it at the 5th fret, but we're going to play it at the 3rd fret. 6, 3, 2nd string, 6, 3, 3rd string, 5, 3, 4th string, 5, 3, and 5th string, 5, 3, and then 6th string, 6, 3. So. All right, and then the Metallica song, Fade to Black, when it changes from the then an A bar, like a power chord. 5th, we're going to do some power chords based on the 5th string. And then 3rd fret. Now we could either do them like 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, and it's just block this one, the 6th string. Or we can play the 6th string also, and it makes a big old power chord. Not only the 3-string power chords we have, now we have a 4-string power chord. Just realize that they're not based really on this 6th string, they're based on the 5th string. And we're adding the 6th string. And I'll explain that to you in theory later on, but it's basically tonics and 5ths, 1s and 5s. And we're going to go A tonic, then A power chord, then a C power chord, and then we're going to go A power chord, and the 5th fret to the 7th fret, a D to an E power chord. That same thing, A power chord, C power chord, 3rd fret, power chord. That one will be based on the 6th string, and that's the only one. And we don't want any other, you know, we just want 6th string, 5th string at the 2nd fret. So 6th string open, 5th string 2nd fret, and barred with the 4th string 2nd fret. That'd be the only 6th string power chord that we're going to do. You know, the only one based on the 6 strings on that. All right, and that's it. Practice hard.